launch our boats and throw them in the water here, typically, and Freddie hasn't even said, you know, we're on the clock yet, we're not under the sailing rules. But believe me, sometime before that horn goes off and everybody starts, the sailing rules are in effect. So the question is, when are the sailing rules in effect?
I think when the timer starts, right?
1 minute.
1 minute.
1 minute before the start, the sailing rules are in effect. So let's say that 1 minute toot has just gone off, and red's coming in on our port and blue's coming in on starboard. So who's our right-of-way boat between these two guys?
Blue.
Blue, because he is
Starboard.
on starboard. And red is not paying a lot of attention. And red is very apologetic, but tacks too close to blue and hits him. Red says, "Oh, you know what, I'm sorry, I wasn't watching." And blue says, "It's okay, but you need to do a turn for me." So blue is saying 1-1, protest 1-2. Red says, absolutely fine. Now, the question is, so this is 1 minute before the start. We're under the rules. What does red have to do before he can legitimately start the race?
He has to do his turn, and he has to do it out of the way of other people. He
That
has to
is
be
correct.
clear.
He has to do his turn, and he has to not be fouling other boats. If there are other boats around here, he needs to just steer clear of them and go do his turn. Now, does he have to wait till the gun goes off, the start gun goes off to do that?
No.
No, he does not. He can do it right then. And that's pretty nice, because you know what? He's still got better part of a minute to kind of get in the right position. So he's cleared himself, he's done his turn, and Freddie would call contact. If he saw contact before the start, Freddie would announce that. So red's done his turn. He's apologized, he's done everything he needs to do, and now red can start with the rest of the boats and everything's just fine.